Hi, Satnam. Please subscribe, comment and like. It will help algorithm. And also please comment how you felt before, during and after doing the Kriyas I share with you. And I welcome your comments on any poses you would like to see. Today it's gonna be short and sweet. We're gonna do Kriya that makes us enchantly beautiful. It's mostly down and sitting, so if you need to do the warm-up standing up, please do so and then come back. I'm enjoying this weather. I don't know how long it's gonna last, so I welcome you from the outside, connecting to the mother ground, the spirit of the winds, the spirits of the birds, and let's place our hands in prayer mudra. Let's inhale, close the eyes. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And be absolutely still. Set intention or prayer for this practice. And let's come sit on the heels. It's going to be spinal flex variation. Place your hands by your knees. Elongate the spine. Chin is gently tucked in. Inhale, it's like a cat, and exhale as you're doing cat-cow. Keep the head aligned so the head is not moving, and it's a movement as in a cat-cow. Spread the fingers, close the eyes, vibrate Sat on the inhale and Nam on the exhale. And let's continue. Focusing your whole gaze into your third eye, pressing your palms and hands towards the ground. See if you can deepen the breath and see if you can move a little bit more vigorously. And please inhale, center, suspend the breath and apply the root lock. So squeeze your anus, sexual organs, and please hold the breath and the root lock. Slowly exhale. And come up from a pose. Shake the legs if you wish to. Let's go back to the rock pose. So sitting on the heels. You're gonna interlace your hands. It's called Venus lock. You're gonna place it behind you. You're gonna pull the shoulders blades together back You're gonna raise your arms as high as possible. We're gonna keep the spine straight, chin gently tucked in, close the eyes, long deep breaths through the nose. Mentally vibrate Sat on an inhale, Nam on an exhale. And let's continue. Open your heart center. Long deep breaths. And inhale, really raise the arms as high as possible. Pull the navel in. Hold the breath. Exhale, release and relax. Come out of a pose, come sitting on your buttocks. Bring the heels to your buttocks. Hug them. Elongate the spine. Now place the hands behind you, just a little bit behind the hips. Fingers facing your toes. Inhale and raise the legs straight, 60 degrees up. Long deep breaths. If it's not possible, you can just bend. See if you can keep the spine straight, so you might need to bend the elbows. And let's continue. Don't back your back at all. Long deep breaths. And it's shaking. I'm shaking too. We are more than halfway through. This is actually excellent for headaches. And lower the legs slowly. Come out of a pose. Now you're going to bring the knees to the chest, hug them. So feet are off the ground. Keep your spine really straight. Close your eyes. Long deep breaths. If you want an extra challenge, add breath of fire. Remember, if you're on a moon cycle, long deep breaths. Oh. Push the knee closer so the chest touches your thighs. Relax the shoulders. Deepen the breath even more. Remember, you can add breath of fire if you didn't already. See if you can push your knees even closer towards your chest. Keep your spine straight. And lower the feet to the ground. Stretch them right away. Feet are touching. Grab the big toes. Elongate the spine. Chin is down. Close the eyes. Legs are sides of the legs are touching. Long deep breaths. We call this light nerve stretch. It's wonderful for sciatica pain. And also it balances our mental energies. Just 3 minutes. You can change and shift from negative mind to positive and neutral mind. Long deep breaths. And now apply strong pressure with the thumbs to your big toe. And really press and long deep breaths. And now we're gonna add the chant, hum, and we're gonna chant continuously. You can chant out loud or vibrate mentally, hum. So let's inhale to begin. Hum, 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 hum. Keep pressing your big toe, keep chanting. Hum, 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 hum. Please inhale. Suspend the breath, navel in, and squeeze your buttocks. And exhale, release. And we're gonna end with a shoulder stand, which is extremely relaxing and also really taps into our right and left hemisphere to create neutral, blissful state. So come lay down on the back. Inhale, hips are up. Give yourself support. And long deep breaths. Point the toes. Adjust the head. Long deep breaths. Please inhale and exhale. Slowly bend the knees and slowly come out of a pose. Come sit in easy pose. Hands in prayer mudra, be absolutely still. Deep gratitude for joining and practicing. And Sat Nam.